Delhi is ranked as India's and world's most polluted city by the Central Pollution Board and Swiss group IQ Air, with an AQI exceeding 400. Delhi's air quality index remains above 400, indicating massive air pollution in most areas. The concentration of PM 2.5, a lung cancer causing pollutant, is over 80 times the healthy limit prescribed by the World Health Organization. The city government is trying to mitigate the pollution, but preventive measures are back in place as the pollution levels are expected to worsen. While some reports suggest that 30,000 Delhiites die annually due to air pollution, health experts argue that this estimate is low due to the potential effects of higher rates of lung cancer, diabetes, premature births, and autism. Delhi, India's national capital, faces severe air pollution, causing significant environmental and health impacts. The main source of pollution include vehicle exhaust, heavy industry, small-scale industries, suspended dust, open waste burning, combustion of fuels, and in situ power generation. Seasonal emissions from dust storms, forest fires, and open field fires further exacerbate the problem. The Delhi government is taking policy measures to combat the problem, including the union government's flagship National Clean Air Program (NCAP). The rising pollution levels are exacerbated by crop burning in Haryana and Uttar Pradesh states, which burn dry stubbles, releasing pollutants and dust particles into the air. Traffic congestion and low investment in public infrastructure contribute to air pollution. As the winter season approaches, dust particles and pollutants become trapped in the air, affecting weather conditions and resulting in smog. Large construction, industrial pollution, and garbage dumps have severely increased the amount of dust and smog in the air. Doctors warn people of dire consequences and discourage outdoor activities. According to the National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA), the guidelines to protect yourself against the hazardous impact of smog and pollutants are: don't step out or indulge in outdoor activities during early morning and evening hours due to severe levels of air pollution in the city. Try to stay indoors and avoid going out if you are breathing difficulty. Only step out when clear and sunny. Drink an adequate amount of water as it helps in flushing toxins from the body. Avoid smoking and strenuous activity as they may lead to inhalation of minute pollution. Eat vitamin C, magnesium, and omega fatty acids enriched fruits. These fruits are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds and help boost immunity. Use nasal filters and air purifiers for short-term relief. Plants such as aloe vera and English ivy can help purify the surroundings. Avoid using roads filled with smoke or dust, rather walk on lanes away from the main road.